All right, hopping right into this video, I'd like to thank Nadula for sponsoring today's video. So inside of this box, you have a black satin drawstring bag to store your hair in, 3 wig caps, some lashes, a makeup brush, 2 Velcro headbands, a satin Nadula robe, as well as your hair. Now, if you'd like to become a Nadula ambassador and receive a free wig, just take a screenshot and yeah, let's look at this hair. So right offhand, the hair is really soft. It has great body, and I wanted to run my fingers through it to see if I have any initial shedding. I had little to no shedding, and the hair did not have a smell. Underneath the wig, you do have your 2 combs on each side of the V part, one at the base of the V part, and then your 2 sliding combs on the side of the wig. You do have your adjustable straps and a comb in the nape area, and this is a vented wig, which means, you know, it's more breathable. So I've already moisturized and sealed my hair off camera, as well as took out the portion of leave out that I want, which is this small little portion here in the center. I'm going to clip that away, and as you can see, my hair is in a low bun, and I'm just going to put on my wig cap that was provided. Moving on to applying my wig, so I'm just gonna open up these wig clamps and slide them into place. I do try and make sure they are as close to my part line as possible, so there's little line of demarcation between my hair and the V part. Okay, where is my easy button? Because that took less than 2 minutes to install. And I didn't use any of the combs on the side or the back of this wig. As far as styling, the only thing I'm going to do is create my part to cover the V part itself. I am going to pull a little bit more hair out around my hairline just to further give it a natural look. Okay, so I'm in love with this wave and I don't want to go against it. So the only thing I'm going to do is spray my hair with some heat protectant, go in and straighten my roots, and then we're going to mimic this wave with our flat iron. So this is actually something I used to do with people's hair in the salon. I would literally just put some deep waves in their hair using the flat iron. People used to love it, you guys. I think it's such a cute look, and it's an easy way to get like a beachy look very quickly without purchasing another hot tool to do this look. So yeah. I will caution, if you want to use this technique using your flat iron, if you have any like hot tool gloves, please use that because this is extremely hot and it will burn your fingers. I'm just so used to doing it that I know my tolerance level with it. Now that we have that done, I'm going to use some shine serum to just pull out the frizz and define the wave, and yeah. hair is black and this hair is brown, but I still think it turned out pretty well. I really like the wave, and so I didn't want to manipulate that wave too much. I wanted to really go with the carefree deep wave that it came in. So I literally took it out of the box and put it on my head, as you saw. I haven't had any shedding as of yet, but again, I have not washed the hair. I haven't manipulated it too much, but just running my fingers through it, running the comb through it, I haven't received any shedding. The hair did not have a smell to it. The cap is perfect, but the only combs that I used were the clip combs at the top. I didn't use any of the side combs. The adjustable straps in the back was enough for me to help it feel snug to my head. I don't feel like I need additional security, so that is a plus. Some of the wigs that come in feel a little too large for my head, and I'm very transparent with you guys when that does happen. It worked very well on this hair to help enhance the wave of the hair and give it additional shine. The hair is soft. You get a lot of hair in this unit, but I love the fact that it's a lot of hair, but I'm not hot. I'm not sweating, and I have all of these lights on me and a long sleeve shirt. And typically when I'm putting some of these wigs on, I have on a spaghetti strap shirt and I am burning up in here, but it's all good in the hood with this one, you guys. So I'm gonna start allowing you guys to rate these wigs. Yeah, so 1 out of 5. 5 being 5 stars, 1 being 1 star. You can even put 0, girl. It ain't hitting, it ain't doing it. You need a friend that's going to tell you that's not it. So, you know, I'm from Baltimore. I have tough skin. You ain't going to hurt my feelings. You're not hurting my feelings by saying it's 0 stars. It ain't hitting, you know. Drop a comment down below, rate this wig. Also, if you have an interest in this wig, I will have all of the links and the information in the description box down below. So definitely go check that out. We love a quick, you know, 5-minute whoop-de-whoop out the door and you look good. I love V-part wigs because it does allow you to have that freedom of just getting out the door. So yeah, this hair is definitely giving everyday effortless and I'm loving it.